Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this magnetic car mount that also charges your iPhone. So here I've got the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's got MagSafe charging and it's got wireless charging and MagSafe mounting. So this has a magnet in it and it sticks to the iPhone 13. So if you have an iPhone 12, 13, or 14, this will stick right to it. You don't need to add anything to the case or nothing. You got to make sure the case is MagSafe so it'll allow this to go through. But this will also charge it wirelessly, so you don't have to hook up a cable. Now, I really like that you can mount this, and there is some flexibility. So if your dash is not perfectly smooth, you can move these a little bit. That's a very nice feature. But you can also mount it to a vent, car vent. So I can interchange these two different types of mounts. I can change the different angles. When I want to, I can screw this down. It does come with a USB-C cord. So you'll have to plug this into the other side of the charger. The USB-C plugs in right there. That's really nice. That way I've always got a USB-C cable in the car. Now it does come with this. You can attach this to a phone that doesn't have the magnet already inside. So you can attach this to your phone so it will wirelessly charge and magnetically hold it. It comes with this little template on how to mount it. So input power is either going to be 5 volts, 2 amps, 9 volts, 1.7 amp, or 12 volts, 1.5 amp. It can output 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts, or 15 watts. And that's all going to depend on what you've got it plugged into, what it's capable of outputting. So whatever you plug this USB-A port into, that's going to determine how fast it charges. So the cable that it comes with is 39 inches long. So this magnet part here is about 2¼ inches. Thickness wise, it's about an inch, quarter inch thick. Sticks out from the dash about 2 inches. So this mounting surface is right at 1 1/8 inches by about 2 inches. I could even cut that off too. There is a little slot there. So if I needed to make that smaller, I could. There is a little spot to put the cord in to kind of keep it from pulling out. So you can put it right here. Put it right there. And then you would just put another, like a little loop. So there's where the cord would go like that. And here's the adapter. If you want to put this onto a mount, you're going to screw this part here, and that's going to close that so it can clamp onto a vent. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.